MasterCard has been set when the lock produced. Customers need to set guest card. Adding guest card using MasterCard. Blue light flash. Adding guest card in flashing time. Guest card cannot be unlocked before adding guest card. Setting guest card. Take the MasterCard to contact the card reader. You can add unlocking cards during the blue light flashing for 6 times. You can add cards continuously, and 16 cards can be set at most. The sounds of guest card is not same like the sounds of MasterCard. There are music using guest card. There are not music using MasterCard. If you want to delete guest card, continuously swipe the MasterCard for 5 times. Blue light flashing with green long sound of dial indicates all guest cards are deleted. MasterCard can still be unlocked. Before installation, please test whether the lock is normal. You can use an external power supply to open the door when the battery is dead.